If your RPM and CPM is $5, then you need 1,000 views to make $5 on YouTube, but you just need 5 views on a 1-minute video on Skillshare to make the same amount of money. And still, if you're not happy with that, then you can double your earnings as well. Stay till the end to find out how. You don't need to have any knowledge to make a Skillshare class. All you need is ChatGPT. But why choose Skillshare over YouTube? First and most obvious, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time to even get monetized. And that's a nightmare for YouTubers. You can upload videos for a whole year and still not get monetized. Yeah, that sucks. On the other hand, you don't need any amount of subscribers on Skillshare or 4,000 hours of watch time. All you need is a course and you will start earning right away. The second problem is YouTube doesn't pay enough to its creators. Unless you are in the finance niche. Yeah, those guys print more money than the US government. YouTube pays average of $2 to $7 per 1,000 views. If you get the same amount of views on a Skillshare class, you can buy Apple in cash. I mean the fruit one. Now the biggest problem with YouTube is that you have to throw your social life out the window if you want to see any success. You have to upload a high-quality video every 69 seconds to see any growth, but on the other hand, you just have to upload one video on Skillshare, and you will be paid forever. So how much can you actually make on Skillshare? Unlike YouTube, Skillshare pays you on the amount of minutes watched on your course. You get paid anywhere from 5 cents to 10 cents per minute watched. So to get $100 on a 10-minute video on YouTube with a CPM of $5, you have to get 20,000 views. But if you get 1% of those 20,000 views on a 10-minute course on Skillshare, you will make $200 with ease. So now let's make a Skillshare class using AI. We will start by researching about the niche we are going to automate. It's important to choose a niche that's trending and can easily be automated. The best niche I could find is creative writing niche. Not only is this niche always in demand, it's the easiest to automate as well. Here you can see this Skillshare course is totally automated. There's only text and a voiceover, and basic editing. And yet this course have almost 21,000 students. Not to mention this is an original Skillshare course as well. Now as we have chosen our niche, let's choose our sub-niche. For that, go to ChatGPT and ask it what all courses can it make, and let it generate the answers. As we are only interested in the creative writing niche, I would choose the second option. Let it generate further options. We have a lot to choose from, so you can pick the one you want. After that, start a new chat and ask ChatGPT to give an outline of the course that you selected. Now ChatGPT will generate a complete outline you can follow. After that, ask it to make a class script from the first outline. Let ChatGPT generate the class script. And here you have it, a complete Skillshare class script generated by ChatGPT. Repeat the same process with all the other outlines. After that, paste all the outlines in any note-taking program and using Google Docs. Make sure you arrange them according to class order. This will come handy later. Now let's start with actually making the class. First, we will start by making Voiceover for our courses using AI. The best software I could find for this job is Descript. It contains voices that sound perfectly human. To start using it, click this blue button and you will be taken to the main page. If you don't have an account, it will ask you to log in first. You can use your Google account for that. Now start a new project and you will be redirected to the app. If you don't have it, you can download it using this blue link. When you're in the app, click this button to start a new project. Name your project. Now go back to where you saved your class script and copy it, then paste it into Descript. I'm using a small script for demonstration. Now to choose our voice, click the speaker option, then select stock voices. You have 9 options to choose from, but I will recommend either go with Ethan or Henry, as their voices are exactly how we want. But I will go with Henry. Now let Descript download the media files and your voice will be ready in no time.
Welcome to Mastering Modern Copywriting, a Skillshare course designed to help you develop the...
Now to export the audio, go to the top right corner and click the publish icon, then select export option, and under export choose audio, then select your audio format, then export your audio. The first step is completed. Now let's move to making the actual video content. You basically have unlimited options for that. You can go with Video Scribe and make whiteboard animated videos. You can use Canva and make animated videos. You can use a simple background and paste text on it, or you can even use PowerPoint. Let me show you how you can make videos using all these options. For the first paragraph, we will be using Video Scribe. For the second paragraph, we will go with PowerPoint and Canva for the last paragraph. To download Video Scribe, come to this site and click the free trial button. After that, sign up using your email and other information, then you will be required to confirm your email. After that, you will be required to log in again. Now click Download Video Scribe for Windows, then download it. When you're in the app, log in again. Here I have few projects already. To start a new project, click Create a new scribe. On the top right corner, choose the microphone option and import your saved Descript audio. On the bottom right corner, choose the text option to write your desired text. You can change the font style if you want to. Change text alignment if you want to. Position it however you desire. Click the camera on the bottom right corner to fix its position. Double-click the text to adjust its setting. Change the animation timing to match it up with the audio. Play it to see if it's correctly aligned. Follow the same process for the images as well. Add as much text and images as you want until you are satisfied. I will be back after I have completed this project. It took me a few minutes to complete this, and it turned out pretty well. Now to import it as an MP4 file, click the share icon on the top right corner, and then press the download button. Choose your size and frame rate, then click OK and wait for it to be imported. In the same way, I spent a few minutes on PowerPoint and created the animation required for the second paragraph. To export it as an MP4 file, click the File option, then go to Save As, then click the Browse option and choose the save type as MP4, then save it. Now as for the last paragraph, I used Canva to create this animation in just 5 minutes. To save it as MP4, click the share icon on the top right corner and then select Download. Choose the file type to be MP4, then download it. Now it's time to edit all the videos together. The best free video editor I could find is Clipchamp. To download it, click the Try for Free button, then log in using your Microsoft or Google account. After downloading, open the app and you will be greeted with this interface. You can either start with these templates, or you can start from scratch, or you can even use AI. I will create a video from scratch. Now import all your media files that you created, including the audio. Drop them all in the timeline and start editing according to your liking. The edit is complete, but we are missing the most important part, and that is background music. And the best place you can get royalty-free music is from Epidemic Sound. It has all the kind of music you will ever need, and you can use it commercially as well. You can get a free 30 days trial if you sign up from my link. In case you don't want to use Epidemic Sound, you can use free music provided by Clipchamp. After everything is completed, export the video in 1080p. This is the final result.
Welcome to Mastering Modern Copywriting, a Skillshare course designed to help you develop the skills and strategies you need to create compelling and effective copy for today's digital world. In this first lesson, we're going to start with the basics. What is modern copywriting? Why is it so important in today's digital landscape? And what can you expect to learn in this course? So, let's start with the definition of modern copywriting. In essence, modern copywriting refers to the art and science of crafting persuasive and engaging written content that motivates people to take a desired action.
Now let's upload our class on Skillshare. For that, go to the Skillshare website, click the Teach option on the top right corner, then select Create a Class and then Start a Class. After that, upload all your classes in chronological order. Now, as promised, here is how you can double your earnings. Go to Udemy and upload your class here as well, and then you will make double the profit rather than just uploading your class on Skillshare alone.